Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. China, Hong Kong, and South Korean markets are currently on vacation, but other equity markets throughout the region have rallied. Europe's Stoxx 600 has risen by nearly 1%. This is the third consecutive session of advancing. The S&P 500 may gap higher after gapping higher over the weekend. This week's start has seen profit-taking in long dollar positions that began last week. Despite all the rhetoric, the yen has not participated today and is trading in the pre-weekend ranges. The European morning has seen the greenback reach its lowest levels. The weaker US dollar is keeping gold firm, but it is facing offers of up to $1,730. The recovery that started last week is continuing in December WTI. Asian Pacific market. The dollar can be traded against many currencies. However, the yen is the main exception. The dollar trades quietly in the pre-weekend range. The Deputy Chief Cabinet Secret warned Japan that it must take the necessary steps and closely monitor developments, including excessive, one-sided moves in the exchange rates. The U.S. will likely impose tighter controls on technology transfers to China next month. Already, it has hinted at this move by sending letters to multiple companies. The U.S. believes it has reached a technological choke point that will allow China to make sub-14 nanometer chips. The Australian dollar was stuck before the weekend and is now at $0.6890 in Europe. Market of Europe. The U.S. and G7 continue to push for a price cap on Russian oil. However, Europe seems to be supporting a price cap on Russia's natural gas. The EC was instructed by the energy minister to follow two tracks. There was first, interest in a cap for all imported gas. A second reason was that power companies needed to meet new higher margin requirements. The euro has reached almost $1.02, its highest point since August 17. After a 0.6% contraction during June, the British economy experienced 0.2% growth in July. The decline in construction and industrial output was offset by a rise in services and a smaller deficit in trade. Sterling fell to $1.14 last week, and today it was 1.17. Market of America. Market participants are encouraged by the recent U.S. economic data and comments from Fed officials to expect another 75 BEV increase next week, before tomorrow's August CPI print. The quiet period before the FOMC meeting next week has begun. Canada posted weaker jobs data than expected. This is the fourth consecutive year that Canada has lost full-time jobs. Today's US dollar made a new marginal low. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.